doesn't want to let up at all. A lot of thunder too. My dad went to go check on the garden. Hopefully it hasn't gotten washed away or completely pelted to smithereens by the hail. I will go down later to take a look. Oh no, my stairs. My dad put a 4x4 here to try and stop the water flow, but it took out my stairs. Oh, my husband worked so hard on that. We'll look at how my plants are doing, because my staircase isn't doing great. Now I gotta take the long way down. Well, besides the mass amount of mosquitoes, everything looks somewhat okay. Oh. The earth definitely slid from up there down into my garden. And my potatoes don't look happy. Oh no. And the hail made Swiss cheese out of my squash. Oh, my potatoes got squished. Melons look okay. Here's where the slide happened. Eroded down, covered our hoses a lot. And then look at this poor Swiss cheese. Oh. Darn hail. Yeah. I don't think my squash liked what happened. Oh, so many holes. There are mosquitoes everywhere, guys. Wow. And the beans got holes too. Every single leaf punctured. Oh. Tomato. Cherry tomato looks okay. All the big leaf stuff got impaled. Well, guys, that's what happens when Mother Nature has a mood swing and throws rocks at my garden. Lettuce isn't happy either. I'm literally being eaten alive by mosquitoes, so I gotta go. My garden looks a little sad. Fingers crossed it comes back okay, because it did just get a lot of water. We've got a lot of sun in the forecast. I'll keep you guys posted on if my garden comes back to life.